Hey, Ev. How's your little hike?
Dad, my feet are killing me. My feet are, not because I'm tired. My feet are on fire. And because it was the thing, rocks or whatever, sure. They're so sure.
Let's see, wear your shoes.
Huh? No. But I found two pieces of beach glass in the bob thing. Beach glass is in the same spot. And there's this fish.
Yeah.
I was picking it up.
Yeah.
I thought it was dead. It was playing dead. And I tried to pick it up.
The plane dead? Fish?
Yeah. Because you know how fish sometimes play dead? Like when you're good with the catcher or something, it just plays dead.
Oh, yeah.
It was on its upside down.
Yeah.
I gotta go pick it up and it gets on the stomach and squirms away.
Yeah?
Yeah. It tricked me. I'm like, that's so easy to get. I come up and it squirms. There was like fish and tadpoles like this big going around everywhere. Dad, you notice people